So, I've just moved into this room, and I have an opportunity, a unique opportunity, to choose the color of paint to use to paint the walls of my room. So I'm sitting here thinking, what color should I choose to paint the walls of my room? I'm sitting in here right now, an empty room, a void space with so much potential. The color sets the mood, you know? The color sets the mood. Mood is important. Someone might come into your room and be like, oh, this is a cool room. It's a cool room. And they might say that because you choose a cool color. Like, I don't know, like purple or something. Because purple stands for wealth. And, you know, so that person, this stranger, whoever, they're coming into your room, and says, wow, this guy must be wealthy to paint his room purple. So he must be cool. And that's when he says, this is a cool room. And wow, that feeling of being complimented, that feeling of envy that someone is feeling for you, that it's everything. My only friend, the end of our elaborate plans, the end. And just imagine if that same guy came into, let's say in this case, my room would be painted lemon yellow, and he comes in and he says, oh, this room is nice, but not like a genuine this is nice, but like he's saying it to be nice, and you know that he now thinks less of you, and now it's all screwed up. Your friendship or whatever is done, it's over, because you chose a shitty color for your room. So what color should I choose? Color is mood. So what mood do I want in my room? My mood, my room. What color? Now, for those who know me, this is a big deal. Like a big deal. To choose a color to represent your room, like it's a big deal. And I don't get to choose a lot of things. See, I get things chosen for me. Not anything bad, you know, nothing like, where I live, or things of that nature. It's just not anything that adds up, but it's always random. Like, what restaurant do I eat at, or people want to go places. And I never choose. I always just say, whatever is fine. And I go wherever with whoever, but it's not fine. I don't know. I didn't say then, and we go to some crappy fast food, and I'm sitting on some gas station shitter 20 minutes later, because I couldn't make it home, and there's meth and shit and needles around me, and I'm sitting there on this shitter, and it's dirty, and I'm praying, and I'm hurting, and I'm saying, oh God, the pain. And after the pain subsides, after the relief, it's hardly relief, I come out, and I buy myself some Jimmy Sticks at the gas station, because they always taste nicer. And all that, and it could have been avoided if I had a choice, if I had a choice. So we're ruling out white for my room. The bathrooms are always painted white at the gas stations. So not white. So what mood? The mood, right. Something that is inoffensive, but it gives people a clear idea of who I am and what I'm about. Maybe something pale, a pale color. I don't go outside much, so I'm pale. So pale might work. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so pale what? There's so many options, so many moods, so many potential moods. How am I just supposed to choose one mood? What if I'm not in one mood? What if I'm in many moods? I don't want to be boxed in. It's like I don't even have a choice then. I want to choose me, my choice. So many choices, so many colors, so many moods, so many colors, purple, happy, sad, purple, happy, sad, yellow, white, angry, orange, burgundy, yellow, white, orange, burgundy, let's have so many choices, so many colors, so many moods, purple, happy, sad, angry, yellow, white, orange, burgundy, happy. figured it out. The color of my room. My room won't be a color. Won't be a color. My room will be all colors. All moods. I won't be constrained. No restrictions. My room won't be a room. My room will be everywhere. Every color, every mood. And I won't live in my room. This isn't my room. The world is my room. I'll live in the world. Out in the world. Out in the streets. With all the colors. With all the moods. I will be free. I will be free. On the strip in Las Vegas.